Good morning and welcome to our last Hardy Arujo What's the Buzz? We are so excited to have completed this journey with our first set of bees and are ready for our next semester bees, but we are very sad because we're going to miss our babies. But let's get into our last What's the Buzz? Now, if you have not already done so, the exam information can be found on the Middle Creek High School website. So you go to the website, if you scroll down, and I have the link in our What's the Buzz. It has a testing schedule. So they'll take the English, we'll be giving the English 2 and Math 1 EOC on Monday, and the Biology and Math 3 EOC on Tuesday. And then we will start in earnest with our North Carolina final exam, CTE, and teacher-made exams on Wednesday and Thursday, with Friday the 18th being our makeup day. I want to make sure that you understand that you have to sign the parent release form if your children are going to be leaving before or after any exams, because we don't run buses in the middle of the day during exams. So if they have a first block exam but not a second block exam, then you either need to pick them up or they will be staying at school until 2:18. Okay, awesome sauce. So we are now entering our What's the Buzz NCFE boot camp this week, where we will refine any skill acquisitions in advance of our North Carolina final exam. The North Carolina final exam is a state test that is created not by myself or Mr. Ruggiero, not by anybody in Wake County, but by the state of North Carolina, and it is 20% of their final semester grade. Please, 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 this week and next week, make sure they're going to bed on time. Make sure that they're eating. They need to be resting, getting that good brain matter working, and not worrying. They have been prepared for this test, and we will meet this challenge head on and do our very best. Just a heads up, they will have reading comprehension homework every night this week. They got progress reports on Friday that have to be back to me tomorrow, and I will give them a final progress report on Friday with their grade going into their North Carolina final exam, so that we're all on the same page knowing what we have to do on the next week. So this week we're going to do figurative language work on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to do vocabulary and context, central idea and theme work, and inference work on Wednesday and Thursday. And we're going to take our NCFE released once again on Friday, and then work on some flipped. Like half of the class is going to do nonfiction, other half is going to do fiction. Then we're going to flip and we're going to make sure everybody has done a little bit more going into our final exam week. The homework is going to, I've run off common lit we haven't done. Everybody has a copy of those and they'll do that. We'll be able to start them in class and they have to finish and bring them back to me on the next day. It's going to be fine. If you have any questions about what can I do to help them study for the final exam, we've been doing that since day one. If you want to review their figures of speech, like literary terms, that would be great. Go back through their vocabulary, because that will, the larger your vocabulary, the better you're able to do context clues. Talk to them about that. So everything in their interactive notebooks. So they should have a list of figures of speech, their literary terms. Make sure they know those backwards and forth. Go back through their vocabulary, their Greek and Latin roots. Go back through their SAT and ACT words. So, and make sure that they're doing their homework every night. Check Power Schools. The grades have been updated today, actually, their vocabulary quiz. We took our last one on Friday. I'm happy to report I got lots and lots of A's, so excited. We just wanted to thank you one more time for sending the very best bees you have to us. And so as we finish our final What's the Buzz for the first semester, let's keep buzzing. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.